Sometimes, the most powerful thing we can do is pause. Step away from the noise and simply observe. This isn't escaping reality. It's returning to the source. In the stillness of a forest, the vastness of a mountain, or the sereneness of a lake, we reconnect with something true. Here, we find peace, not as a luxury, but as a necessity. It's in these quiet moments that we refill, recharge, and remember the quiet strength that lives within simplicity. It's not about having less. It's about making space. Space to breathe, to feel, to listen. Simplicity is the path back to balance, to clarity, to health, to a way of living that honors our place in the web of life.